Most advertisers use product types just for organizing shopping campaigns and PMAX asset groups. But when optimized correctly, they can boost your ad ranking, ROI, and eventually sales. In this video, I'll show you how to write better product types. I'll cover product categories versus product types, how product types drive more sales, tips for writing better product types, and AI-powered optimization workflow. Hi, I'm Andrey with Andrey Marketing. I help e-commerce businesses grow with Google Ads. Let's go. Don't confuse product types with Google product categories in Google Merchant Center. While both help organize your products, they aren't the same thing. Google product categories are predefined categories that you choose from. They help Google better understand what you're selling. While you only need to use this for some products, it's best to use them for everything to get better results. An example of a Google product category is hardware building materials. Product types are custom categories you create to organize your products based on your store's hierarchy or marketing strategies. They offer flexibility in structuring your product data and can be tailored to your specific needs. An example of a product type is brass square tube. Here's how product types help you sell more with PMAX and shopping ads. Higher click-through rates. Well-structured product types make your ads more relevant, attracting more engaged shoppers. More clicks from the right audience mean better conversion potential. Lower competition and more profitable bidding. Refining product types helps you appear in more specific, less competitive searches. This reduces wasted spend on broad, high-cost keywords. Increased ROAS and cost efficiency. Improved targeting means higher conversion rates and lower cost per acquisition. Follow these tips to create effective product types. Keep it consistent. Organize your products in a way that matches how you categorize them in your store. Start with broad categories and get more specific as you go down. Be specific. Use detailed descriptions for better tracking and ad control. For example, instead of just saying stainless steel products, write stainless steel sheets polished. Target long-tail keywords. Add long-tail keywords to your product types. This helps you show up in popular searches that are more likely to lead to sales. Align with Google product categories. Try to align your product types with Google's product categories. This helps your ads perform better. And keep it up to date. Check and update your product types regularly as you add or change products in your store. Following these guidelines helps improve data clarity and performance in your campaigns. Now let's see how we can make this process easier by using AI-powered tools I'll show you in a simple example. Here we'll optimize the product type for stainless steel square bars using Product Hero. Product Hero is a feed management tool that also serves as a CSS partner for European and UK accounts. First, we filter products to find stainless steel square bars and select them. Note that the current product type is stainless steel square bar. After selecting the products, we click Optimize. Then we provide a custom prompt like this. Set product type to building materials, stainless steel, square bar. We click Optimize. Now all products have new product types that expand beyond our custom prompt. The new levels include long-tail keywords specific to each product. This is exactly what we need. The final step is to approve all selections. FeedOps, a Shopify app, has similar capabilities for optimizing product types. Its process looks nearly identical to what we've done. Here we are. This concludes our mini guide. So, the most important thing is if you're aiming for more sales, don't neglect product types. And if you need help with your account, ask for a free strategy session via the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.